Welcome back. This is step 6, animating the door to open. Our first step is to go to the viewport, click the open door actor sequence, choose open in tab. From there, click on owner, and we're going to add a transform track. From there, we're going to expand it, open the rotation, and we're going to use the yaw to make the door open and close. To begin, we want to add a new keyframe at this moment, and we want to make sure that we are in show time as seconds, so we know how long we have until the door finishes opening. I want to go to about 1.5 seconds, and at that point I want to open the door by 90 degrees, and if I can move this, I should see the door swings open. I can then try it out with the space, and we want to end it at the moment there. And back on the open door actor sequence, we want to click pause at end. That way the door will remain open when it ends. So then setting it back, we hit space and watch it open. Click compile, and that's it for step 6.